Okay, hello everyone. I am now going to spin this water round and round and round, and it's not going to spill. No, no spill. So I'm going to do a tiny little bit of spinning, like I just did now, and then I'm going to do a very fun bit, and then I'm going to do an even funner bit, and then I'm going to try to slow it down, which is quite hard. 3, 2, 1, go. Nice ball. Nice ball. Tiny little bit more. Nice ball. One part. And the final part. Now slowing down a bit. I slowed down a bit. See the drop of water. It was about that there. Only a few drops. It's about there. A few drops there. Got it? Okay. So I am Tom003 and yeah, hope you enjoyed my video.